So today we're into day 12 of our travels. We've travelled 3,595 kilometres up until now, and we've got another 190 kilometres to go till Esperance, which we will be getting there today. After spending a few days there, then I'll be returning back home, while Dan, Vlad and Jana will be continuing on to places like Albany, Margaret River, Bustleton and Perth. Once I return home, I'll have travelled approximately 7,500 kilometres.
We crossed the Nullarbor, which is a very big achievement. We are nearly in Esperance, maybe 200 kilometers away from Esperance. We passed the town yesterday called Norseman. We went to post office to send the keys to David, our son, and Carmen to look after our house, because we didn't expect that we're gonna be on a road so long. We want to do the trip for 2 weeks. We changed our mind and we're gonna go probably up to the Perth and back through Nullarbor, back to Canberra again. And the characters we saw yesterday, it was just amazing, but we are so dirty and so unkept that we maybe can blend very well in the town.
It was nice to see him, to have a hug.
And it was an old man with a beard like that. He says he was a character. He says he was cutting his wedding cake with the chainsaw, and he wants to hug me and coming back to me all the time, and he was so smelly I didn't want to hug him. but we had a good fun. He was nice man. He was very nice man, but I can say it was really nice.
And sometimes you are complaining about the dust.
I'm complaining all the time about the dust, about that we can't keep the hygiene properly. Today we go to the town of Esperance to have a proper shower, proper camp, because we are camping raw, and as you see it's a little bit more, it's a red soil now, and it's very dirty.
We stop at yet another crashed car on the side of the air highway. So after 12 days on the road, over 3,785 kilometres, we finally arrived to Esperance, Western Australia. Esperance, Western Australia, population 15,000. Located in the Goldfields region of Western Australia, just 720 kilometres east-southeast of Perth. After having coffee and exploring the foreshore, we head up to Rotary Lookout. We then drive just east of Esperance to one of the many crystal clear white sand beaches, like Twilight Beach. Today's weather was a little bit windy. After parking our cars at the Esperance showgrounds, we walk into town where we catch up with Pino and Michela, Italians we met on the Nullarbor. We had dinner together at a local Thai restaurant. We spend the night at the Esperance showground.
Hit weather. A possible shower with a top of 33 today in Esperance. Tonight down to 20 and tomorrow mostly fine with a high of 25.
Wake up with the Pete and Kimber Show and weekday arvos from 3. Carrie and Tommy.
Day 13, and we enjoy a coffee at a local French cafe in the heart of Esperance, together with Pino and Michela. Stonehenge in Esperance. This is where we found a full-size replica of the original Stonehenge, similar to the one in the UK. It was completed in late 2011 on a private property just east of Esperance. Made from locally sourced granite, the large pieces weighing up to 50 tonnes, measuring up to 8 metres in height. We then return to Twilight Beach, where the wind seems to have dropped off. The water was crystal clear, warm and pleasant. Later that afternoon, it looked like a storm was about to roll through. Just as we arrived at the Esperance showgrounds for a second night, a huge dust storm rolled through.
In the middle of a bit of a storm at the moment, so be patient. We are going away out or whatever.
And just as it was clearing, there was a thunderstorm.
You have to be really out in the open with an umbrella.
Each in the heat. I think that should be it. There will be another one after this, but that will be it. This will finish in about 10 minutes.